Next in the series is the template snippets. What are these templates? Let's find it out. When we click on template snippets, that's what we see. And from the text here, we understand that these are message templates, so SMS templates. We click on add a template. It could be a text template, that is a SMS template, or it could be an email template. Click on add a text template. We name the template. You have the option to add custom values here. So first name, congratulations, and so on. You can write the text. You can attach a file, or you can add a file through URL, and you click on save. So that's one of the template. Similarly, you can create an email template. Choose an email. Now these are not the marketing templates, these are the regular email templates that you would want to send. The text of the email, attach a file, and then you can send a test email and see for yourself how it works. So over here again, you have all the options to add custom values, you have the options to add trigger links, and so on. So you can create different email templates that you can use later in your workflows and automations when we build those. Got it? So should you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the Q&A section once again, and we'll be moving on to the next section.